Hi everybody, welcome to After School Snacks with Al. Today, I'll be showing you a simple recipe you can make at home. It's healthy and you probably have these ingredients or something close to that in your home now. So here are the very simple ingredients to this version of s'mores. We all know s'mores. This is a healthier version. We have yogurt, graham crackers, and strawberries. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. So here in the bowl we have yogurt. We take a graham, spread the yogurt on with one of our spreaders. We grab some of our sliced strawberries, place them on there. Yum. Then I like to put yogurt on the second gram as well. You don't have to, but we're having fun, right? Spread it on top, make a sandwich, and there it is, after school snack. As you guys saw, I wore gloves because when we cook for all of you guys here, we wear gloves for safety. But at home, I don't think you guys are putting on gloves, are you? No. So you go ahead and make your s'mores, spread on there. Be careful, those crackers break easy. And you can always slice those strawberries bigger, smaller, whatever you like. Bigger the better. By the way, gang, if you like blueberries better, or maybe raspberries, or maybe peaches, you can substitute those strawberries for anything you like. Oh, there we go. We got one almost done. All right, let's all take a bite at the same time. Oh, look at that. Everybody looks happy. And that's how you do an after-school snack. Thanks for watching, everybody. We hope to see you next time on the next episode of After School Snacks with Al.